Hello, I'm Mary O'Malley. I'm a GTD coach, and here's a quick strategy that I use to keep my system current. I realized some time ago that I was having some resistance to checking my waiting fors when doing my weekly review. Friday was kind of a challenging day for me because if I did my weekly review later in the day, I was reaching out to people on the East Coast. I'm on the West Coast in their evening, and that didn't feel right. And then if I did my weekly review on Monday, I was potentially reaching out to people in the middle or end of their Monday, and that really didn't feel right. So I started doing waiting for Wednesday. There's two reasons for this. One, I have much less resistance to reaching out to people on a Wednesday. And two, I like an alliteration. Every Wednesday, I check my waiting for folder in my email and my list manager to make sure it's current. I reping anyone I would like to check in with. I delete anything I'm no longer waiting for. And I keep anything that I'm still waiting for in my system and just let it hang out. Depending on my work that week, that will take anywhere from 5 to 25 minutes. This is an example of how the weekly review can shift over time. The weekly review is a really important part of a solid GTD system. And it really didn't work well for me until I invested in coaching. If you'd like to know more, visit our website, gtdfocus.com. So there you go. Waiting for Wednesday. Try it and let me know what you think in the comments below. And as always, please like, subscribe, and share if this video worked for you. Bye for now.